What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the pocket dialing issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on display. Now here in display, scroll down and here you will see a accidental touch protection button. So tap on this button to turn it on, and if you have enabled touch sensitivity then turn it back off. Now after doing this, go back and scroll down. Now here click on advanced features and then click on motions and gestures. Now if you have enabled lift to wake, then disable this feature. Now after customizing these settings will prevent your phone from pocket dialing. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.